Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be cooking on this massive stone I just found. I need a big rock today because I'll be cooking a lot of different meats. So wish me luck and I hope you enjoy the video. I'll have a quick commentary at the end. Thank you. Alright, so I just finished cooking and everything, and yeah, today was really tough. The rock was massive. A part of it was really thick. It was like probably over 3 inches thick, so it was hard to really get hot. The other half was perfect, so I could only half of the rock was cooking really well, and the other half wasn't cooking so well. So I couldn't cook everything at the same time. I mean, I was cooking everything at the same time. It's just that not everything was ready at the same time. But and my cutting board caught on fire, so it was one hell of an experience. It was a great day though. I learned a lot and had a great time. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. All right, take care. Bye bye.